actors as they present their skit.
Hi, I'm Ramesh and I am a farmer and she is my daughter. Today I am taking my daughter to field to sow the grains. Enters into the field. Ramesh happily throws grains and he calls his daughter to do the same.
Dad, why we are sowing these grains?
By sowing these grains, they grow and we can earn enough money to feed our family and as well as for your studies.
They both go to home happily discussing about the crops. After few days, they both go back to the field and suddenly rain starts to begin. They both happily enjoy in the rain and the daughter observes the growth of the plants. And they both felt very happy and returned to their home. After few days, they both returned to the field. Dad, why doesn't the plant grow and why they are dried?
Oh my god, my whole crop is dry. What should I do now?
So the farmer tries to get water from the well, bores and pumps. But there is no water because of no rainfall. So he committed to suicide. Dad, no, why do you committed to suicide? What is the reason? And also, why these plants remain dried up? What is our mistake in this?
Yeah, I'll show why the rains are not and why these crops remain dry because of lack of water.
Then he shows why there is a lack of water. Now, lumberjack enters into the scene.
Oh, there's a big tree here. That today I can earn money by cutting and selling these logs. He sells the logs and earns more money.
Yahoo! I earned so much money today and I'm very happy. Then a teenage boy enters into the scene. He starts dancing to the DJ and enjoys. And after he was tired, he drinks some water and splits the water and throws the bottle away.
Teenage boy. Oh, my bike is full of dust. I have to clean it. There's a pipe here so I can clean my bike.
He starts to clean his bike and splits the water all over the ground and wastes so much of water.
A lady enters into the scene with a bunch of chips packets in a plastic bag. She enjoys eating them and throws them all over the ground.
Then goddesses of nature enters into the scene with a great happiness. And within a minute, she becomes sorrowful by seeing the environment polluted and nature is distracted. Goddess, I can't tolerate this inappropriate activities of human beings for the pollution of environment. It is the time to educate everyone that environment is responsibility, so we have to keep it safe. The lumberjack, the teenage boy and lady starts to argue in themselves.
The lady argues with the teenage boy because the environmental pollution is caused due to your inappropriate activities like dancing for DJ with lots of sound pollution and lots of water wastage by you.
The lady is blamed by the others that she is the cause for the environmental pollution by using harmful plastic and throwing them in the land. The three of them refuses to accept the blame and says that they are correct.
After thinking a lot, they knows their mistake and tries to tell sorry to the goddess.
The three of them who realized the cause of pollution tells the people to not repeat the same activities. Lumberjack.
So friends, don't cut trees. It causes pollution to our Mother Earth. So start to plant trees, plant a tree and get oxygen for free.
Now teenage boy.
Friends, please do not waste water. Water is life, so don't hit your life.
Lady. Friends, don't use plastic bags. Instead, use eco-friendly jute bags. It is good for our Mother Earth. Say no to plastic. After the realization, the goddess becomes happy and the rain starts. In the above activities, if the above activities wouldn't take place, the farmer wouldn't be alive.
By saying this, farmer and his daughter felt very happy as the rain comes and plants remain to grow.
The goddess, along with farmer and daughter, dances with happiness.
Protect ecosystem and conserve biodiversity. Thank you.
Being. So that you should be more careful, don't pollute the environment, try to be more concerned about our environment. It's a nice kid and thank you Joshna madam. A big round of applause to her.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shalu. Today is 28th February and we are celebrating National Science Day. We celebrate this day to mark the discovery of Raman effect. Sir C.V. Raman announced his discovery. For his discovery, Nobel Prize in Physics. In 1930, he was first Indian and Asian to receive the Nobel Prize field of science. Thank you.
Why we are celebrating Science Day on 28th February?
C.V. Raman founded Raman Effect on 28th February
Correct. Which year?
1928.
Very good. Round of applause. Come here. Yeah, thank you. Most of the days we'll celebrate on birthday anniversaries, but this is a special occasion. Science Day was celebrated on a discovery part. Okay? C.V. Raman discovered, what he discovered? Raman effect on February 28, 1928. Great coincidence, year and date. February 28, 1928. Because of that work, he received Nobel Award after 2 years. So when he received Nobel Award? 1930. My sincere request, advice to all, please remember these 2 dates perfectly. Okay? Raman effect revealed to the world on which day? 1928, February 28. So that the government declared that day as a science day. Okay, because of that Raman effect work, who received Nobel Award? C.V. Raman received Nobel Award. He was the first Indian received Nobel Award in physics. So what is Raman effect?
Scattering of photon when light is passed through a substance.
Once again.
Scattering of photon when light is passed through a substance.
So what will happen when the light passing through any substratum?
There is a change in the wavelength of a substance.
Good. It's about just scattering of light. Third standards, anyone will say why we are celebrating Science Day on 28th February? Who will say? Harsha.
Raman discovered Raman effect on 1928, February 28.
Very
and
good.
he got Nobel Prize at 1930.
Very good. Hetvika and team. They checked BP and they gave result also. Hetvika and team, first place. So give them a big round of applause. From first and second, please send them. Hetvika and team. Yes, Monica and Navya, types of plants topic. They explained well. To fifth. First place. Conductor and insulator. Asmita and team. They gave all practical answers also. So give them a big round of applause. And second place, Shanmukh Sai and team. They also explained very well about the nutrients. So second place, Shanmukh Sai and team. So give 6 to 9. First place given to 2 teams. The best is Anjum and team. Very nicely they explained everything. The models are really good and they have very good practical knowledge. Everything they answered. Anjum and team, first place. For the skeletal system. And next best explanation, high school, Akshaya. She explained DNA structure very well. So she got first place in high school. So first place is these two, Anjuman team and Akshay, and second place, Hrithik and team. Second place, structure of stomata, Komali and team. Komali and team. They also explained very well. Give all the winners a big round of applause.
Good evening everyone. Once again a happy National Science Day to all. As we conclude this inspiring and educational science exhibition, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the Science Department. First and foremost, I extend our deepest gratitude to our Principal Ma'am for encouraging all of us and sharing her valuable insights. Your words of encouragement have undoubtedly inspired our young scientists and innovators. A heartfelt thanks to all participants for their presentations. Their hard work and creativity, passion for science have been truly impressive and have made this event a great success. To our dedicated teachers, thank you for the guidance and support to the students. Thanks to all science teachers, you have made this event a great success. Thank you once again. Happy National Science Day to everyone. Thank you.